Birds in Prison by JV Pawar. Shouting slogans to condemn or uphold, a blaze of fire marches forth, and forest fire takes birth in oceans which seek to oppose. What obstacles shall now withhold our vein turning volcanic, digging trenches every inch of the terrain? What fear does imprisonment pose? Life itself was suffering, conceived as a prison. Yet it does have some advantage. It is possible to blow up dynamite at the base of the prison. How many jails, how many barracks? It's impossible to count them. The oceans are stormy, impossible to try and bind them. Birds have drunk deep of winds of equality. Oh, do not enslave them. They'll soar aloft, bearing your prison along. Do not underrate them.